Today is day 17. We are starting a new course on today's section, on today's live stream, which is data preparation in Power BI with Power Query, which you use to prep your data prior to analysis or start slicing and dicing your data set. So without further ado, let's get back to learning.
Hello, my name is Khalid Shukri, and I am pleased to welcome you to this Power BI course. Through these lessons, we will learn the different ways we can use to transform our data to prepare it for analysis. A core concept of good data analysis is that your output will only be as good as the dataset that you use as an input. The saying goes something like garbage in, garbage out. In order to provide high-quality analysis, you must first make sure your data is of high quality and clean. That way, you will reach a meaningful conclusion about your data and won't waste time working on dirty data. So how do we define clean data? There are some important characteristics of clean data that we must strive to attain before conducting analysis. Namely, we want our data to be free from any missing values, sometimes called nulls. We want our data to have no typos or data entry errors. We should remove duplicate entries from our dataset to prevent skewing statistics. We should focus only on the data that is relevant to us, removing any data which will not help us answer our questions. Outliers should be treated with care, not necessarily removed from our data, as they can be important sources of information. We can apply a floor or a ceiling to the outlier values so that they don't skew our statistics too much. This means that we cap the outliers at a certain value. Columns should have the correct data type to allow us to perform calculations on them. If a numerical column is stored as text, we won't be able to make measures once the data is loaded in Power BI. And finally,